Okay. Before I want to explain to you about the lesson today, I want to check your progress in typing, yeah. Look at this screen. Vincent, have you done until box number 8?
Sir.
Ya, Vincent. Sudah dikerjakan?
No, sir.
6, sir.
No,
6.
6. Oh ya, 6, sorry.
Sir.
Next week ya, until 8 ya. Oke. Milky Way class, I want to see first. Milky Way class. Okay, you can see here. Milky Way number 1 is this, Aldiano. Aldiano, have you Aldiano? Can you respond, Aldiano?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aldiano, you can see the screen. In here, still blank. And this is still Milky Way 1. It means, artinya, you not yet login. That's right, Aldiano? Aldiano respond, ya. Why, Aldiano? Kamu login with your username, Milky Way. Ini username kamu. Nanti kamu ketik seperti ini, open your browser. Buka browser kamu, ketik di sini typing.com. Ya, typing.com. Dan after that, choose this one, student login. Student loginnya, baru kamu ketik di sini username-nya. Username-nya what is this one, Milky Way garis 1. Ya, this is
Nggak bisa, sir.
Wah, impossible, nggak bisa. Karena semua sudah terdaftar ini, saya daftarkan. Oke, saya daftarkan sekarang ya. Aldiano, coba saya daftarkan. Milky Way 1. Milky Way number 1. Ini punya kamu, saya daftarin ya. Saya loginkan ya. Next. What is the password, kid? Siapa yang ingat password?
Milky Way, sir.
Milky Way.
Milky Way. Milky Way. Ya ini. Semua huruf kecil. No space, nggak ada spasi ya. Oke, next. Bisa kan Aldiano? Kamu tinggal change di sini first name-nya Aldiano. Ini typing. Kamu belum juga? Oke. Aldiano, last name-nya I make Habeahan. Oke, save change. Save change. Udah Aldiano, later kamu bisa langsung nanti masuk menggunakan username-nya tetap Milky Way 1, Milky Way 1, ya Milky Way yang ini username-nya, password-nya Milky Way. Coba saya restart ya, saya restart di sini, pasti ini sudah berubah menjadi nama kamu. Restart. Nah, perhatikan Aldiano. Aldiano, can you see? Aldiano?
Yes, sir.
Iya. Can kan? Bisa kan? Can. And now, later Aldiano, already like this, sudah seperti ini. Kamu bisa langsung ke atas di sini, klik lesson. Klik lesson. And then kamu klik start ini. Jadi kamu bisa mengetik langsung, ya. You can type directly langsung. Nah, maka nanti akan langsung dia terprogres di sini. The example. Nah. Oke. Aldiano, kalau kamu kerjakan seperti itu, nah kotak kamu langsung berubah. Box kamu langsung berubah. Makanya nanti kerjakan itu Aldiano. Boxnya harus seperti ini semua. Understand Aldiano?
Yes, sir.
Ya, later you can login ya. Login di typing.com dan nanti kamu bisa continue sampai seperti ini. Seperti ini Angelo already until number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sampai 6 ya. Oke. Good. Oke, I give point to Angelo. Oke, next. Wow, Patrick. Wow, sayang sekali Patrick. Still number 4. Mas until here. Kalista already good ya. Until number 6. Kalista. Kalista. Jadi siapa yang sudah mendapat itu poin, berarti dia sudah cukup. Evelyn also ya, Evelyn. Oke, Evelyn. Wow, Milky Way 6. 6, Pramita, Glenn, sama juga. Belum Login. Enrich, number 8, belum. Number 9, Ibrena, not yet. Jessica still until here. Jessica, you can continue until number 6. Jesslyn, masih sini Jesslyn. You can continue Jesslyn later ya. Bisa menggunakan apa saja, laptop, komputer, atau laptopnya ganti-ganti, can. Boleh, tapi harus username-nya harus tetap itu dan password-nya. Jadi bisa menggunakan lain alat. Boleh menggunakan laptop yang ini, laptop, komputer boleh. Handphone juga boleh, menggunakan handphone papa, mama, can. Yang penting login itu nanti menggunakan username dan password that I have given to you, yang dasar kasih. Ya, itu typingnya enak seperti game. Ada seperti game juga nanti ya. Oke, Kennedy was number 1. Kevin 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, already good Kevin. Ya.
Sir, saya kerjain, sir.
Wow, Kennedy, but I see here you can see only number 1. Kennedy, if you already done, you have done, but still here 1, it mean berarti kamu menggunakan username yang lain. You use the other username. Kennedy, you want to see your password and username? Supaya saya tunjukkan. Ya, username dan password kamu itu like this, Kennedy, in this one. This is your this is Kennedy, your username. You can see Milky Way 13. No space, no capital letter. Milky Way, garis 13 Milky Way. Login menggunakan ini. If you don't use this username, tadi sia-sia nanti kerjanya. Nggak kelihatan di kelas di sini. Coba Kennedy, you understand Kennedy? Oke, coba Kennedy, it's okay, no problem. Keep spirit. Ya, kamu try aja nanti, try again ya, bisa dicoba lagi. Oke. Okay, and then Kennedy already. Kevin already just now. Oh, not yet I give. Belum saya kasih poin ya. Kevin. Okay, next. Rafael. Number 4, itu not complete. Vincentius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vincent, one more ya. Vincent, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why? Only one more. Waduh. So sorry ya, Vincent. I don't give you point. Okay. Students, next week. Yeah, next week must until here ya. Later I want to show you. Oke, Aldiano, udah ada yang exit, sir. Oke, Tadi sudah saya daftarin ya. Okay, student, this is our lesson today. You can see the screen. Okay. Student, this is very important for you. Yeah, this is our learning objective today about page setup and margin. And also, yeah, this one, please do your typing until box or lesson number 8. Yeah. Jadi students, next Tuesday, Selasa depan, perhatikan, next Tuesday, Selasa depan, ya, before Zoom, Sir Juan already see your box green until number 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until here. B, H, and M key. If you done until that, kalau dikerjakan sampai situ, I will give you point. Ya, I hope every student can do until here. Jadi yang belum mengerjakan harus banyak tugas ini kerjanya. Tapi yang sudah seperti ini, Angelo, Kalista, Evelyn, tinggal 2 box aja. Ya, bahkan kalau Kevin, wow, udah pasti dapat ya poin next week ya. Oke. Okay, students, this one, I want to share this again. Ya, you already know your typing ya, typingnya harus selesai sampai 8 ya. And also student, please click this link. Later at home, after Zoom, yeah, you click this link to do your exercise. And the password is grade 6. Ya, grade 6. Passwordnya grade 6. Deadline on 17 2021 at 23 jam 12 malam. Ya, Kid. So I hope you can do it as good as possible. Kerjakanlah sebaik mungkin. Jangan asal kerja saja ya. Oke, page setup and margin, students. Margin. What is margin, Kid? Apa itu margin? Margin itu adalah the blank space near the edge of page. Jadi margin itu adalah, ya, you can see this one. Ini space, blank space ini, ya, blank space kan ada sini, ya. Jadi di antara tepi ini, dari tepi kemari kan ada yang kosong, blank. Di sebelah kiri, left, right, button, and top. Ya, ini namanya margin, Kid. Yang kosong ini namanya margin. Ya, this is margin ya. Ya, that's margin. To set your margin, ya, ya, untuk mengatur margin kamu klik page layout, ya, page layout, page setup, and page setup dialog box akan muncul. Dan di situ kamu bisa melihat ada 3 tab, margin, paper, and layout. Jadi untuk mengatur page margin, itu kamu klik di page layout. Ya, klik page layout. Oke. Setelah kamu klik page layout, ya. Wow, Aldiano ini username-nya apa katanya? Milky Way. Aldiano just now home. 1. Okay. After you click page layout and page setup, have margin. Di margin ini, Kid, ada 4 ya. Top, ini ada top, marginnya top, and have button, and and have left and right. Right. Ya, jadi ada top atas, bottom itu di bawah, left kiri dan right itu kanan. Okay, that's about the margin. And here students, gutter is to add extra space to the side or top margin of a document you plan to bin. Bin itu tahu, binder tahu, itu no binder. Siapa yang tahu binder di sini? Tahu ya? Binder. Itu kan binder itu biasanya dia di sini ada apanya ya? Ya, dijepit, dijilid namanya, dijepit. Ya. Jadi untuk mengaturnya itu bisa juga kamu melalui gutter ini, ya this one, supaya nanti tulisan yang di teks itu di lembar-lembaran kertas itu tidak kejepit, tidak tertutup oleh jilitannya atau di bin, in bin ya, bin itu dijilid maksudnya. Oke, that's about gutternya ya, gutter namanya. Oke, page setup and margin. Di situ ada juga orientation. In orientation have portrait and have landscape. Oke, if I show like this, kalau saya katakan seperti ini landscape or portrait, student? Who knows? Siapa yang tahu? Landscape. Oke, good. If like this,
Portrait.
portrait. Oke, good. Jadi I hope you understand about portrait and landscape, ya. Jadi portrait option to print the document vertically. Vertical, if landscape itu horizontal, horizontal like this. Kalau portrait vertical like this. Okay, that's one. Ya di sini page setup, ya ada page section, select the appropriate multiple page, drop down list ada di situ pilihannya kit, ada normal. Ada mirror margin, ada 2 page per sheet, ada book fold. Ya, ini fungsinya kit. Page ini we want to make normal, kita pilih normal. Kalau mau normal biasa. But if you want to make mirror margin, itu fungsinya apa? Ya, option for setting the facing page. Jadi mirror itu kan, you know mirror. Mirror itu kaca ya, cermin ya, cermin. Ya, maksudnya hadap-hadapan kit. Jadi page-nya itu bisa diatur seperti hadap-hadapan. Ya, jadi dilipat seperti what? Like book. Seperti book and magazine. Ya, magazine like this. Ini kan buku ini seperti ini buku. Nah, jadi bisa page-nya itu berhadap-hadapan. Ya, 1, 2, ya, berhadap-hadapan dia ya. And 2 page also per sheet boleh. Atau kita atur boleh 1 lembar itu dia 2 halaman. Boleh ya, can. Book fold, creating booklet for specific number of page. Ya, ini masalah pengaturan halamannya, bagian halaman. Ya, di preview-nya di sini, you can make preview section, apply to whole document, bisa mau diaplikasikan ke seluruh dokumen atau ke seluruh halaman, atau boleh juga di bagian poin ini dan seterusnya. Ya, that's about masalah pengaplikasian yang telah kita atur tadi. Oke, kita practice directly, kita praktek langsung kita. Coba, ya, we open Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Kita buka dulu Microsoft Word-nya. Oke, I make new one. Ya, this is text. Oke, Serjuan mau buat dulu apanya, Kit? Kotaknya, boundariesnya, supaya tahu marginnya, Kit. You can see the margin. Text boundaries, kita klik this one. Ini kan Kit tidak ada garisnya di sini. We don't see the line here, so we don't know where is the margin, from where, di mana batasnya, we don't know. But if I click this one, so the text boundaries, later you can see in here the line. Kita klik, look at here, di sini udah ada Kit. Ya, text the boundaries. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, the example we want to type Milky Way class. You can see here, kid, this is margin top. Here top, ini left, this is right. And here have button. Ada margin buttonnya, kid. Oke. Okay, now we want to make page layout, margin, and have here page setup. Ya, you can also directly click here, bisa langsung diketik di sini. Ya, klik here, langsung klik here, orientation. Ya, or you can click here, page setup. And you can see here, have margin. Click margin, no paper, no layout, but margin, ya, kid. Margin, and here you can set your margin the top. The example you want to make 1, yeah, 1, and here make 1 also, 1 also, and 1. Yeah, you can see here, kid, previewnya, kid, in here. Yeah, that this is portrait, ya, ini portrait, no landscape. If we make landscape like this, you can see here previewnya, kid, berubah dia. Ya. Oke, coba kita try, kid. Ya, perhatikan, kid, ada perubahan. Marginnya semakin kecil, ya, kid. You can see here this one, then you can see in there, ya. Jadi margin ini, kid, if we make 1, dia semakin kecil. Perhatikan ini, margin atas, top, left, right, ya. If we change, coba kalau kita ganti, kid, coba perhatikan nanti, kid, di sini, kid, ya. Kalau kita ganti 2, maka dia semakin lebar, kid. 2. We change 2, ya, kita ganti 2 semua. Oke. Nah, perhatikan, kid. Dia semakin ke dalam teksnya. Karena kita besarkan marginnya. Oke, that's about margin, ya, students. That's about margin. Oke. Now, if we want to make this page landscape, ya, so easy, ya, kid. You can directly just click. Kamu bisa klik langsung di sini. Ya, just pay your attention to that. Ya, bisa langsung klik here, landscape or portrait. Ya, up to you, ya. Bisa langsung kita terkit. Nah, look at. Kalau dia landscape, dia seperti ini, kid. Nah, this is landscape. If you want to make it portrait, dia seperti ini, kid. Nah, dia berubah. Oke, that's okay. Okay, now I want you please make, ya, please set your margin. Coba di set margin kamu dan orientationnya. Who want to try from there? I won't give you remote control from here. You want to? You want? Who want? Raise your hand. Ayo. Siapa yang mau? Who want? Set your margin from there. I will give remote from here. Kalista, you want to try?
Sir,
Kennedy?
layarnya file, sir.
Ya,
Layarnya hanya yang saya tengok file, sir, file.
file. No, no, no. I think, can you try? You open your Microsoft Word in my computer. I give you remote.
I use handphone, sir.
Oh, so hard ya, sulit ya. Kennedy, what did you use? Laptop or handphone? Kennedy,
Yes, sir.
what did you use? Laptop or smartphone?
Laptop.
Laptop. You want to try to set margin and orientation of page? Want or not? If you want, I give remote for you. No. Okay. Who want kid? Who want to try? Angelo, you want to try, Angelo?
I'm using handphone, sir.
Oh, use handphone, yeah, so hard. Jessica or the other student, please. Oh, okay, no one. Okay, students, if you have question, please ask me. Ya, saya mau coba sebenarnya from students, but no one to try. Ya, if you want to try, I give remote from here, so you can open Microsoft Word, and then you can change the margin and also orientation. Evelyn, you want Evelyn? You use laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to try, Evelyn? Okay, Evelyn, I give to Evelyn, yeah, please. Open Microsoft Word later, Evelyn, and then you set the margin. Evelyn. Okay, please, Evelyn. Ready? You can click start button, or also you can click insert. Yeah, start. Okay, you can find Microsoft. Yeah, that one already. Microsoft Word and Microsoft Office. Okay, up, go to up. Right. Lagi. Okay, again. Okay, hope this one. Stop. Okay, you can see Microsoft Office 2013. This one. Okay, and then find Microsoft Word. Okay, that one. Ready, Evelyn? You can see that. Okay, Evelyn. Ya, klik. Ya, this is close ya. Ini close saja. Okay, Evelyn, you can click the blank document. Oke. Ya, ini kita perbesar. Tadi saya kecilkan. Oke, wait. Wait, Evelyn. Oke, please, Evelyn. Make margin. Marginnya make one, Evelyn. Okay. And then page layout, and then okay. Okay, make one. Every margin make one, Evelyn. Okay, you can choose tab. Kamu bisa menekan tombol tab di keyboard kamu. Dia otomatis langsung tab yang ada tab. Iya, make one. Marginnya jauh, Evelyn. Oke. Oke. And then make landscape. Orientationnya make landscape. Oke. Oke. That's good ya, Evelyn. Oke. Oke, Evelyn, thank you. I stop ya. Ya, already ya, kid. You can see here. Ini sudah berhasil, Evelyn. Ya, this is make every margin make one. Makanya perhatikan di sini, just kecil sekali. And this is landscape ya. Ini landscape ya, kid. Landscape. Ya, if you see here landscape ya. Kalau portrait seperti ini dia portrait. Oke, Evelyn, I give you point. Okay, student, that's about how to set up your margin dari page layout. I want to repeat one more time. Page layout and then page setup, and then you can change here top, yeah, left, bottom, right, up to you, yeah. And you want to make orientation, you can choose portrait and landscape, and multiple page ini, kid. The example like this. Kalau mau mirror like this, seperti ini dia, kid. Nah, tampilannya you can see here. Kalau mirror, kalau normal tadi like this, ya, mirror like this. Ya, if you want to make this one, kalau dia seperti ini, satu sheet, 2 halaman, ya, itu tampilannya. Ya. Oke, boxnya seperti ini. Oke, that's about page margin, ya, students. Okay, students, I want to remind again, yeah, before I leave this room, please, yeah, do your typing. Use your username, menggunakan username yang saya kasih. Ya, if you don't use it, maka kamu nanti tidak bisa masuk, sia-sia kerjanya. Like Kennedy just now say, ya, Kennedy, saya done, tapi masih di situ aja. Berarti Kennedy tidak menggunakan username dan password yang saya kasih. Oke, Ibrena, you join. Ibrena, what is your project, Ibrena? Can you hear me?
My laptop cannot, sir.
Oh, if you don't have laptop, if you have broken laptop, later I will give the other project. Ya, nanti saya kasih project yang lain supaya bisa dapat nilai projectnya. So you don't have laptop ya?
No, sir, cannot open header and footer.
Oke. Nanti do on paper aja, and then take photo send to me. Oke, Brena?
Sir.
Rafael also ya, Rafael. Oke, yang belum selesai projectnya, please do it ya. Oke, thank you student, thank you for your attention. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye kid.